This is not financial advice, just pure credit game. In this video, we're breaking down how to build real credit history fast, how time and age affect your score, and how to use authorized users plus primaries to create a powerful foundation. Plus, I'll share a free hack most people overlook: how to use your inner circle to boost your credit overnight. Why credit age matters the most. Credit age makes up about 15% of your total score, but it carries more weight than people think. It's not just about how many accounts you have. It's about how long you've managed them. Someone with 2 cards that are 5 years old will often outrank someone with 10 new cards that are all under 6 months old. Time equals trust, and lenders trust history. Authorized users give you time instantly. Authorized users are the fastest way to add age to your report. When someone adds you to their card as an authorized user, their age, limit, and payment history all reflect on your report. That's like borrowing 5 to 10 years of good history in a few days. But here's the catch: it's temporary. Once they remove you, the age disappears. The inner circle hack, free and fast. A lot of people go online and pay strangers $300 to $800 to be added as an authorized user. But here's the hack: instead of paying someone, use your inner circle. Ask a friend or family member with good credit, long history, and low utilization if they'd add you as an AU. It doesn't affect their score at all, and it builds yours instantly. You can get 2 to 3 solid age trade lines this way, without spending a dime. This is the fastest, safest, and cheapest way to start stacking credit time. Primary accounts build long-term age. Authorized users give you speed, but primaries give you permanence. Primaries are under your name, your own payment history, your own age. Once you've boosted your score using AUs, it's time to start planting seeds that'll grow over time. Each primary you open is like starting your own tree of history. Top platforms for primary accounts. 2025 update. Here are the best options right now. Self-lender. Reports as an installment account while saving your own money. Kickoff. Free, no credit check. Reports to Experian and Equifax. Grow Credit. Turns your Netflix or Hulu payments into credit history. Credit Strong, like Self, but with larger loan options for longer growth. Tomo Card. No credit check. Reports as a real, unsecured primary. Avant/Mission Lane. Great starter primaries for mid-score profiles. Navy Federal/PenFed Credit Union. Once your base is solid, these offer high-limit cards that boost utilization and long-term age. Shopping primaries like My Jewelry Club, New Coast Direct. Optional early builders to fill utilization gaps. Timing strategy. Build smart, not fast. Don't open too many accounts at once. Each new account lowers your average age of credit. Start with 1 to 2 AUs and 2 to 3 primaries, then wait a few months before adding more. Let those accounts season. The goal isn't just to look active, it's to look experienced. Use friends or family first for AUs, free and fast. Stack solid primaries that report to all 3 bureaus. Give your profile time to age naturally. Authorized users give you a jump. Primaries keep you in the race. That's how you build real credit history the smart way, not the slow way. Drop a comment if you want the full list of which primaries report the fastest. And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep dropping 2025 level hacks to level up your credit game. This is Wealth Hacks 360, where we make credit and money work for you.